Hey guys, today we are going to be taking a look at the Kodak Luma 400 Portable HD Smart Projector. It's small enough to be taken with you on the go, wherever life may take you. The first thing you're going to notice is the sleek packaging of this device. Everything about it screams Hollywood standard. Turn the box to the side and you can see a list of just a few of its many features, like Wi-Fi connectivity, 200 ANSI lumen brightness, 4K support, and the unique Android OS interface. To open, turn the box over to reveal two pieces of tape holding the packaging. You'll need something sharp to safely cut both of these. Please be careful while cutting. Flip it back over and begin lifting the lid. Beneath, you will find your Luma 400 projector. For the time being, remove the device and carefully place it to the side. Underneath, you will find a quick start guide. This guide will provide you with a general overview of your new Luma 400 projector, including setup functions, installation, and a customer service number. Remove the foam, and you will find two additional boxes. One box containing a power adapter, which has accessory plates for North American, European, and UK outlet types, and a complementary HDMI cord. The other box contains a tripod and the projector's remote control, which takes two AAA batteries not included. Through this remote, you'll be able to navigate through all of the projector's menus to adjust things like brightness, storage settings, and volume. It will also allow access to all your favorite apps. Next, begin removing your Luma 400 device from its protective sleeve. On the left, we have the focus dial for adjusting picture clarity. On the right, we have the power button. On the back, we have several input options. We will go into detail on all these in a minute. In the front, we will find our dual speaker with our projector lamp. The first thing you'll want to do is power on your device. Your device will begin projecting with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. If the picture is a little blurry, as seen here, you will want to use your focus wheel to adjust the clarity. You may also want to adjust the projector's distance from the screen. Remember, the Luma 400 will project from 5 inches to 150 inches. The Luma 400 will automatically prompt you to set up your remote, your language settings, and your Wi-Fi settings. If you need to connect to your network manually, use the included remote or the touchpad on the projector. Scroll right and select Wi-Fi settings. From here, you will want to connect to your local Wi-Fi network and enter the password. You're definitely going to want to use the remote for this step. This step will also connect you to all of your favorite pre-installed apps, so you can begin to watch Netflix, Hulu, and more. Scroll right and you'll be brought to your settings. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi networks or Bluetooth devices such as external audio. Your Kodak Luma 400 can also act as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Simply connect your Kodak Luma 400 to Wi-Fi, go to Hotspot, and enable Hotspot. You and your friends will now be able to connect to the Luma 400's Wi-Fi signal. Projector mode also allows you to pick how the projector screen is displayed based on how you've installed your Luma 400. Whether it be ceiling mounted, rear projected onto a screen, or both. Next, we have the zoom setting. This will allow you to scale your projector image to help fit on any screen. You can adjust the brightness of your projector with the brightness setting. There are 3 brightness settings: high, normal, and eco mode. Depending on the position of your Kodak Luma 400, you may need to adjust the angle of the projection manually. Press the keystone setting and make sure keystone autocorrection is turned off. Press advanced and adjust the angle of your projection with the touch buttons or the included remote. Scroll further and we find our storage and language settings. Here, you can also find the factory reset option and device updates. From time to time, your device may need to be updated. If you are connected to your Wi-Fi, you may receive a prompt to update automatically. Click the Update button followed by the Download button. Please ensure that your device is connected to a power source. Once complete, tap the Install button and your Luma 400 will update and restart. You may also check for updates manually. Simply head over to Settings and click Update. The process will be the same. Alternatively, you can update via USB. Simply head to kodakphotoplus.com and select your firmware update. Next, find an empty USB drive. Please ensure it's been formatted to FAT32 to allow the projector to read it. Directly drag or copy and paste your downloaded zip to your USB. Do not unzip this file before transferring. We want to keep it as is. Make sure your projector is off before inserting your USB. Boot up your projector, and within 2 minutes, your projector will restart and begin updating. Some older models of the Luma 400 require more steps to update. So if yours doesn't update on its own, please head over to KodakPhotoPlus.com for detailed instructions on how to do that. The home screen is where you will find all of your digital media options, from Netflix to YouTube, to Prime Video to Hulu. If you desire an app that isn't already installed, simply head to the App Store and do a quick search. Now, we will discuss all of our physical media input and output options. We have a 3.5mm audio output if you'd like to use an external speaker. There is a traditional HDMI port for, say, a computer, cable box, or a DVD player. And there's a USB port if you have movies or pictures that you may have saved to a thumb drive. Playing from a USB has never been so easy. Simply insert your drive, scroll to Source, File Browser, and select your USB drive. Your video or pictures will begin to play. Screen mirroring is great for sharing what's on your phone or tablet onto your projector using Miracast for Android devices and AirPlay for iOS. Just follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your specific device. Standard HDMI is also an option. Simply connect the HDMI wire, select HDMI in the menu, and control your device. We strongly recommend using the Kodak Luma integrated app to get the most out of your projector. To begin, you'll want to download the Kodak Luma app from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, tap the Luma icon and you'll be prompted to connect now. Tap Connect Now. From there, you will tap Scan, which will search for your new Kodak Luma 400 projector. Remember, if you have trouble finding your projector on the scanning screen, make sure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your connected projector in the previous step. You will now be able to use your iOS or Android device as a remote control to your Luma 400. The top portion of your device's screen functions as your trackpad. This works very similarly to your laptop or computer mouse. On the bottom, you will find the directional pad to move the screen cursor around, a back button, and a home button. Additionally, there's a keyboard button which will allow you to type in searches, usernames, and passwords with much more ease than traditional scroll and click methods on standard remotes. You will also find a mirroring button, which will allow you to cast exactly what is on your phone to the projection screen. You can even reverse this to mirror your projector screen directly onto your phone for even greater ease of navigation. Below, you will find a volume bar which can be adjusted, as well as an app quick launch menu. This menu is meant to simplify finding previously installed apps on your projector without the need to manually search for the app on your home screen. This feature helps a ton with locating apps that you use the most. Simply put, the Kodak Luma 400 Portable HD Smart Projector is the best way to carry a world of entertainment in your pocket.